omega kasebo no ebraso de friend ne se chale yes ni awie ye no eno na aduru so abusua John Short Kenke wokutemu dendenden just bread and pastries for womo na asaka won hono midimafo aba center ya Dr. Tam edaso no or the time na to yenso anwumre ya de kasa na kira mineral water aboju nso no na ebebe kase di amawo abusua ma remfie o se ya so mpankran Watermelon Street no so ekeka kodo market no 106.5 sabre kro na 101.1 takwaso mpa ye life ho na takra de ne 103.3 no na ebia na wo bono ene wamba fa bronye chairman no maboboa no 98.9 laji be kwa na bro sanum sabre kro na 90.7 sompa techimai echire ho nkransa de na techimai de ne 106.1 FM Kingdom so de sa frequency krona na mankasim babia na mfimfiri mantemu so ma no to aba no abusu ye wodi koda no so babia FM stations ne wo no ye wo ho e akọhwe sompa na abenya yen ka na Sheban radio wo to yen pete information centers no ebro wo twen honwi ya droma sompa wa bia atum kensta obi abedi information center eno kumsadu mas Emmanuel City ho ededem we are ye kan do 100.7 wa Fabio ena Adamfo pa radio France abrochimamu wono nso to bi dia pete 93.1 Asante mamu openso abobo ano pe sompa kumase de noa na anwumre wasono ma no wo maba no awie nkenkan ye bibia awie mu ene eten waso ensem no ye bubu ne sre na basa na fe ye de abrew eno achi no ma remfi se na wotwini mu nyina nsem a edi atwago ye fisem no ene nso ye mfa nkwatiw na de wobete ewa anwumre mu no abusua akenkanfo no ye basa triple we man aja pia pambada mene
oduma kuma chiame obrempon na kwaku ampoma ene ye bra
nana opon checheku
afi yan shansam na se ene awia yukra ye di kama wa update kakra ya no wa lowa no kakra na blaste ene se na ye hwe se MPP was no kokro kwa yokuo no wo mo abato ya wo no mo eto no ena na ye hwe se sai na ho nkomo no kra esifa etie ene santi ene ye bo amode a egurawura mu ewo emiamia hoduo bebre na nsakura na obeduru hokra no eno na pani ye fra no yewura Alex Kwakutete entu de ehwem ubonza Alex Tete why ne dem den wa ho a wo kasa ho na wo kire se won de no wotufo ana wo ka titru pa ne sentimentum mu wo so ye den ya ba ko ba wen na emom wo bia hwe no ankwaje sika enti Alex Tete wo di ka to MPP for no fu sei
o mi aba bi di president die kebe for so ma do mama on ko tete kebe for so ma o no atu na mu se onko obi eni mu se onko the jurors Deborah will come 2028 omuneye NDC opio post to abeto mountain opedia na why say any onko te say your mama call omuma the free range no call you know enye sa na oji huchi na okọ contest na onim bi kwase efi o ko nchen ya kofu bibire muntimi ma jo mama nchen because of circumstances be intimate NDC for no MP we minister we CEO take me serious. Read my lips, the boss me guy. One thing now contesting jurors are winning the grass.
We Alex Kwakutete no. Ena watch mu sa no e de che na na point cheku. We all to say no mo say Johnson so anu mo di nkomo. Ena wo ka na say ya no point say wa wi was ya na say na e di koye news. Ena wo je ye. Na wo wi okura no. Aho kura na na afa wo ba beka. Wono mu a kwaji sika na video bi a yehu ye say free man kasi mo ba na me ne ayi kana hase mo hase say yi wode be ndebe ku kai na kwabra ne mfoni ne picture bo ho we wi kran so ye say ade no kran mfoi na no wado so ka ne say mo kwaji sika mo de mu ntie mo de no
enweme bi o mo ye for the top approach na ama yi na ye ya twenya ho free MPP and MPP for any call for a Casamon. A China is the election aircos of Ashanti region. A stronghold for MPP. The Nutina Mamijina, they can be kakra na MPP for achi omo asese obi ene wo betimi the MPP but ye betimi am party na hangi up on say o hwe CPP hangi up e dino betimi am MPP or the MPP will never come power 2028 2032 to the next way mon friend to mutrim say Ghana ni bi anhye no so say 2028 Kennedy will come the president of the Republic of Ghana 2028. Kennedy name NDC Babi here against him.
What? Also, you can say, I said, Janai, a Cotra Janino. And the Kakra Watchery, Kennedy Baba. Now, I say, one Kennedy campaign, Ibako Krani campaign Bakono. Now, so MPP Bapa, ya, one Ukraine, ya founder and leader. And my citizens, I Ghana. I want to know what Casa we say. Now, where went young Manasona and then Ajima Pambo. And we say, Bonomantamu, Abro, and ye, and I still want to say Abroye. About what my way. Na bono to say
you are doing some market of here that's so high
mumo na de koso pambo na sa na katu abenya no da bi obi abata private jet miensa na bono de no egosi say
Oben for me that said the area no e kan ma some party for nyan ntie no and na e se ahene ne etu ahene form wo NPP mu ombo regional delegates conference no e course so e wo monumental mu na no kwasa ne se de wie no omo bedi nkunim adi nkunim omo asabi omo bedi ntonsu adi nto na me bubu mu aba form a oba monumental mu ha enipa num e course nka omo akwanya ama no regional chairmanship no nka asia ahene fo no omo na nka munyi omo mu ba kuma ne medi omo so na so mu kwaye no se de abronye omo hu se sabi Romantel abua wabua ndimani omuma na some say on no regional chairman na amanyo point into here ni padodo na eno omokoto abama omuye 281 so amai abronye nyamu 201 ena kwabena opon onunya amiensa evans atorija ebua onu wanye ena so ya afọ anka ne no no ye aviation minister on also na no former member of parliament ma MPP o Germany South on also nya 44 and Joseph Mensah enya 31 into her chairmanship position na say na ko in the electoral commission declare ye papa abronya say on na ye chairman for New Patriotic Party e government mo na position no be bia surprise amount for pa obia results ne by na we akohu we na we so akohu we communication director yen nyina the same say and maybe entamu na so kwa MPP ye demonstration of women temu say yensuro evidence na ni nyina ne say baba amandu na yenim say okoka say bi ne so na so sa ma ye be che no na so ma ye bia be men oba na ha dia ni di retire ba bia women temu ade ne say communication office anu kwa obefane te nanso ene etia ine po ne eto ine kwa ye no ense ene baba mando beka e don kasa bi fear delegates ense ene baba mando beka because ona nipa no ne no kwina ye bi ye ne ya me kwa ho a me kwa ti nipa ndi no no kra mi nim no so ka ho nanso to ba bia na baba mando na oti ndi na omukwa elections no ene baba mando nipa 281 omukwa data mukwa to aba no eye Abubakar Yakubu ono na dodo na afeni baba mando onyama numu 101 111 that is 111 ena Fad Osman onya 170 that is every na chese Fad Osman ono na adi nkuni se no regional communication officer e wo government mu ha Ethiopia that is 111 no mo
chat
about results in Umuno. The women's organizer position now, women organizer no. Then you buy your friend Doris Asoma. Ominya 139, 139. And Yebina Banso, Samira, Onusinya 142. Nipo Mukwa Naka Mukoto Abani 281. yɛbɛ regional treasurer so a yɛnya Veronica Tufua no gyina mu pɛnri ɔsɛe a manka ɔyɛ ɔmo research ana election officer ɛwɔ government mu opi research wɔ kɔ sɛ nka ɔmo ma no bɛyɛ regional treasurer nanso ɛti a yɛn nyɛ tu a yɛn fɔ so daabi ɛha deɛ yɛ mpɛw nti ɛhɔ no ɔkɔ ɛno wɔn ti nyɛ nyi nkunim nipa a ɔdi nkunim wɔ hɔ no yɛ ɛyɛ Kasim Tiaka nipa a ɔdi nkunim ɛwɔ hɔ no yɛ Tufua sorry nipa a ɔdi nkunim wɔ hɔ no yɛ Veronica Tufua ɔno nya 132 ɛna Henry secretary a na ɔyɛ research officer no ɔno konya 123 ɛna Siaka ɔbaa baako nso a ɔno nso ka ho ɔno nso nya 25 na kyerɛ sɛ ɛti ahene ne ɛtu ahene fɔ no ɔmo ama ne kwan sɛ ɔmmɛsom MPP amanyɔkuo ɛwɔ Bunomantam a ɛyɛ organizer na Abdul Razak Opon ɔno nya 229 ɛna Bill Darlington ɔno nipa mmienu pɛ ne kɔɔɛ Bill Darlington nso yɛ 52 nti regional organizer no ɛkɔyɛ Abdul Razak Opon ɔno na ase ahenefo ɔmo de tumi ahyɛ ne nsam sɛ ɔnkɔsom ɔmo na yɛhwɛ first vice chairman a ɛyɛ Peter Asoma Wampon ɛna afei nso Kate Amponsa Ajare na yɛkɔɔyɛ na ɔmo kɔtɔ ɔba ne nyinaa wie na kyerɛ sɛ Kate Amponsa Ajare ɛnya 252 ɛna Peter Asoma Wampon nya 29 na kyerɛ sɛ ɔba Bunomantam a first vice chairman no akɔyɛ Kate Amponsa Ajare ɔno na abɛyɛ first vice chairman sorry I know that when yes first vice chairman yɛba second vice chairman na Isaka ɛna Kwaku Antwiagye ɛna afei nso Kwaku Agyeku yɛka Isaka ɔno na ɛyɛ Sompa Fiewura yɛbɛka sɛ Alhaji Alabe Kwana saa na dodoɔ no ka na ɔmo hu no Sompa Fiewura kɔɔyɛ no in fact ɛti ahene ne ɛto ahenefoɔ no sɛ ɛsɛ sɛ ɔkɔ no ɔba biem nti onya 89 votes ɛna Kwaku Antwiagye nso nya 123 votes ɛna Kwaku Agyeku nya 68 na kyerɛ sɛ Kwaku Antwiagye a ɔyɛ lawyer ɔno na ɔmo ayi ne sɛ second vice chairman ɛwɔ Bunomantam mu ha na yɛkɔ secretary position na ɛyɛ incumbent secretary ano a wɔso yɛ Kofi Ofosu Boateng ɛso ahene ɛti ahene ne ɛto ahene fo sɛ na dwuma so ani dudu nti mmuyamfo nsan to aso ɛnkɔ so na ɔnyɛ adwuma sɛ secretary ɛma Buno region MPP nti ɔno nya 187 votes nipa a ɔne ne kɔɔyɛ no so yɛfrɛ ne Baafo Asare nya 93 votes nti ɔno nso yɛde n'ati kɔ afɔ ɛwɔ hɔ eti positions no minia ɛdɔɔso yɛ ana ɔhwɛ a ɔbobɔ mu na ɔrehwɛ a na kyerɛ sɛ biribiara ɔdia ɔba Bunomantam mu a ntɔkwa nti yɛate wati na waka me adeɛ a ɛyɛ me fɛ koraa ne sɛ sɛbi ɔmo ani nkunim ne ɔmo di nkunim no ɔmo wi ɔmo nyinaa ka bɔ mu a kasakyerɛ ne biribiara ɛkɔ so kama ama ɛsɛ no ɔba Bunomantam mu a abatoɔ no akɔ biribiara so die kama fɛfɛɛfɛ na mmom amanfoɔ ti kaahye wokɔgyina so a de amanfoɔ atwa ne sɛ akɔɛ wɔbɔ kapaa o ɛna wawene akɔdɛ ni sɛ ɔbɛwene o ɛna wawe nti sɛ delegate no deɛ amanfoɔ bɛka bi ɛnɛ paa ɔbɛpɔn
mo ne adwuma ɔpamboɔ asikafoɔ nyinaa he kɔ so pamboɔ no yɛbɛba hɔ ɛnkyɛ ɔe mo wɔde ato so wei n'agyema ɔpamboɔ wɔno na wɔbutu Bunomantam mu ya ne yɛfiri hɔ ba nyinaa no watase ne kama ɛde ama yɛn na yɛnyɛ mu fama na no ɔpɔn kyekyɛku na wɔnhyɛ aseɛ ɛmfa mfimfimfim Mantam mu ma yɛn
abusua yɛda se Sompa 106.5 na wani ɛne waso egusu a wohwɛ utie no na wɔ MPP amanyɔkuo abato a ɔmoto yɛ ɛnɛ Ghana hanom baabia ɛne hɔ ikoyɛ bru na ɛyɛ Mantam dunsia ne mu no emu maako dunum 15 ɛna kyɛ sɛ ɔmoto aba ne mu a Mantam baako deɛ ɔmode asi wɔn ma wɔkyena Nyankopɔn yɛ adom a ɛna abato no ɛbɛba so ɛwɔ hɔ na ɔbrempɔn de akɔ ɛyɛ bono yɛkɔ ɛyɛ mfimfim Mantam na yɛne yɛ mfimfim Mantam ama ne boni a ɔno ɛna ɛwɔ ɛyɛ ɛhɔ nom na afei yɛne no ɛdi ɛyɛ nkɔmmɔ yɛnkɔ ahoma so ne yɛne yɛnua bɛma Eric anan ɛni nkɔmmɔ Eric Madwe Eric wotimi nka me mawadwo
Ejo so minya
na In 15 man time to say.
Good afternoon. In Pempren, I can say, about one, making kind, yɛde biribi aba na wie na daeɛ kɔ so yɛ ɛne wɔde te mu 15 man kɛm ha no sɛne amɛsɛ yi ɛne na wie no ɛbɔ ho amanneɛ no pɛn ɛyade a NDP so to go farm na kuno mo nyɔmo pɛn fa so me original executive a ɔmo ne ɔmo bɛyɛ adwuma ntihyia nan a ɛbɛyɛ no na yɛhyɛ ɛmfiri market mu na yɛnkumia mu a chairmanship position no ɛn ɔkɔmienu ana ɔmo gyinaeɛ Yera festival Benin Square Media about the sense no original premise chairman no every in a man 161 pounds so energetic Sibu Dogona Numinum ideal college now I do more Canadian and Nathan Ketwa a trip will hand me a pie idea Irano Joseph Sibu and Prince between 6 months in Sama or any elected on a man 278 278. Yeah, or the Eddie and kind. Answer sales vice and so in a coy, KK Bonzi, or no, in a man 157, 167. Where I could do found. Yeah, or no air 3 times a futu constituency chairman, no, Irano, into in a 271, 271, and printing or no, and election. Here about Kawan, the event. Addison Coleman, or not equally out in here, no, or non Friday and kind. Second person to say in a coffee, Betty Adwa, Yantichua, or no in a mano 997, 97, Betty Adwa Yantichua, 97, Tanso Anna, Yura, Mesha, Koku, Amuapu, or non and Primprino, we're in a second vice chairman, or in a man 222 Tanso Anna. Somewhat Gati, in a man 120, 120. Now, Ira, a sort of for now, secretary now, Ira, Richard, 50 Manson, or not under incumbent, the Adiamata Swaba, stands in the view. Now, a man 283, 283, Sanso Anna Armstrong, Sa, or not in a 157. Assistant Secretary, no, and also Kofumu and Unit Daku. In a man 178, 178. Anna Charles Oduman, Mato about in a man 257, 257. Organizers no see acquire Anthony Saki in a 333, 333. Or not an incumbent, our Sanso Apa, at Anso Edisibu, Sanso Anna Era, Anthony Apia, between Anthony Fomu. No Anthony Apia, and Monia Mano 72. Council Anna Kenneth, Mansa, no also organizers, and then the on to be out. No more ballot seat, no, then the deal from the south into one. I'm going to be for someone in a manner 33. Or fully out in an organizer, treasurers, no community, I am simply Francis Asari, Anna, every kind of Abanama now, money 244, 244. Mustafa Muhammad, in about 196, 190. Youth organizers and conform and a coin, principal idea, or then quasi appear, and I have to obey in a man 189. And I idea over the communication is what Adimanafiri, the opponent and a coy Adimanafiri, and Prince money 233 are only incumbents. I recommend or no, a show one blanks and another one at the firm. Women organizers, no, I don't come in a coy. Charlotte, Adwa age, on the incumbent, you can't go to Abano, as I tell you. In the view now, Adwa entry, idea, only 2 years more area for the duty that our entity or Simonico or Suko out. Already no one no for women organizer and friends not women. The idea Charlotte Adwa entry ISR for 9 printing or the Caroline Abuade to one Hima or immediate chairperson for or the national one in the Charlotte Adwa entry and a 2 form. Lastly, Nasara organizer and Nasara coordinator. And no, and a choir, King Babada, or no, idea Kaswa and within the Anna About a mano 207. 207 selling Kabori era Kabori ono ewo gwa ekepus ono ina mano 101 ono editor of me no ana Abubakar Osu ono nso editor of me it all the people so it's maintain hanoma say ana embato ono ekọ ya me na de ato ndipo a omo apuni do ni ebi e bi afoju ade a osi wa kan bi am ba de tin maintain
yo Eric yenhwe ni ehu obunu ni se ye to aba ni nyina wie ye no ye hu se nkabo matimi aba wo mo gina ni nyina ntem ama mo nyina akwakonom eye bonsu abako enu ekire yenhwe delegates dodo aba beto aba omumu sen enemu entimi amba
o entimi man me de delegates aye ye ehu ni mo so ba beto aba na ade omu ni obi aba no mo me kan ya se ba ko bi omu a na ato no me de ni nta no ko bi atam dia delegate na oba de kenu fi man ke han ma de ba na ye re ni so be so ba na 497 ade o ni na ba be na ba ko bi omu a ran ti rejected ba ko nti no oba de kenu fi man ke han mo dia delegate no anu na ba be so na dia ya ni ye na dia ya isama no kan dia na ana ni fa entity agency ano ehe na ni entity ya ade a afena ma kinu ni na etadi ni aso aba na ni obi anu aso bi na ni a oyini no obe na omo entity ni no omo nkan ba kire ho no mo image na omo ema entity oso kuku ama na kuo no omo so entity emba 2026 abato omo tambeta omo no abenga no na omo transfer na omo he imbu omo nti me nyaso bi sa na fa
Eric mame no wase nyankopon hira papa ya no ahwe ho so ye enso ede amaye abusuafo ya mane boni a woto nkrafi a ye mfimfim mantemu Eric anan na yete se wode amane bo MPP abato enom to ye no ehun sunsuanso ebesom ye
kasa na kira mineral water enso papa ewo dwaso wo maye sashe mu de ya ye ntwanketoa adantemu na efe wo mo de tete adaba na sa ba bio de friend dispenser no uhia nso hia na wubu enso onyini wubu de achele wo mo ewo back hospital echi ewo nkan taifa enso babia wo bia no oto nsafre won a wo betimi aduru ho wokutayemu na nsa no eba wakache na abusua yedaso agina so no amanyoko wo maboboa no uwuram wo bono na po yefamu a won ma etwen wonti se mantan no won baba beje aginem na fe enkonwa na ahwere wo mo nyina won besa akosesa aba no de wogina so incumbent no chairman Ibrahim Bukari dodo na abona mrane sa chairman abi ana kane chairman ona boto masedu apia ya wono first pa bono na ye ahafo nyina no koye chairman ana ewie ya nchemu bae no wosan ba beje bono apuye ye fa ho no ana ekoko wie ye enkunumdie na ama no na wode ma chairman abi so mu a nkonwa ne nyina ase afiri ne nsa enu na o se da bi nya de obetena se wono na ne penso na nkonwa no wo de oboko asan akwaje ena Bukari se wobebuka ni dua e de ahye nanum na nasa de esisi ye no je ye koho na no nso de sofo wono na gina ho a asam na obetimi aka ne sa de wo kan firi chironum e de ama asafo mma no Reverend na ya okran akwaba wasa na ye mibio mpacho be ma pa ne no kasasa no apam dada no ni
ya
mo aha na enade no abato no so de no ekoko wie hwan na oye chele no
so me pacho me do ati be application so some application so buru istitu na msado ba the chiwan show person so regional constituency regional
elections no
mo kede si ekusi no na pese de ema we
mo
eti yesi ase no ye fa chairman no a Ibrahim Kavi chairman Toma apia as a context na eko chivie ye no chairman Ibrahim oya incumbent no oya 180 votes and chairman Apia enya 73 votes that to say, but to say, I'm meeting your conference by Saman Squad. I like Ibrahim Muhammad with an entity. Peter, cry, it's a country out a million, they all over on your 10. And another job, also on your 1, also on your 9. Rejected a 1. Let us say, another job, one on your says, license. The second be more. Now, second vice chairman, Baba Abudulai, also on your 122. Anna Amufa Atakofi, also on your 132. Let us say, Amufa Kofi, Atakofi, also on what that's on one. Yes, I could be more. Now, you could say, yes, I could be more. Now, you could say, woman organizer. So fire a free to also so fire free down to only 161. And I put you up for 1.
Okay. So fire in
what or terminating.
Okay.
I want to now Sarah, a large the bride, only 178. And I had Adamu Muhammad, not 75, not to say.
Alhaji Jibril
also winning.
Okay.
The court treasure now, Gloria, we are also 51. And now, Lady, Value Charles, also 57. And now, Christy Saba J, also 102.
Wow. Christian
also are winning. You got communication to Swa, for free or heading, 114.
Okay.
And also a J, Ebenezer, 117. And answer saving 23. Not to say, also a J, Ebenezer also. One so a rainy ever. The answer now is the most swap. It's the most big one. Now, Sompa yeah, call, you know, organizer. So fire.
And now also fire rain no. Family communication. Family communication, yeah.
Communication also so yeah. Communication, you know. Communication also so okay, man, found what treasure.
Or young pes can young communication. We treasure. Okay.
And also a day, Ebenezer 1117. You say communication soon. You also a day, Ebenezer also
on a political thing can on. On a friend of political thing can. Okay.
That is a mutual for you. Now, I think I can make a account. Maybe I can do quite a buy.
Okay.
It was there. First, a charming near the shy, you know. Now, the tip is a crowd and have a show. Now, and then who's there? Ghana police. Or my bomb, there. Google walk out with me. What do you say? Come on, Toma, Obisha, and it's a client of Bishop. Not a wedding. And can take a class ever. The principle of intelligence, on team peace ever. And the beer and I have the beer about the BNC. About Lunano, ever, Boko, Emma, Sugi, about the Chipan. I brought more in that, the little baby. Now, Kenya, and I have grand for the revenue. Not my car, so making attaching before.
Reverend, where dear, na asempano, and I ban a way, and away, a bono, na poor from any Uraya. A honso, Chama Abbey, were retaining ni seat, no. Ama women organizer and so for a free year dance, was answer for the seat. Now, communication, honor, political thinker, watching it, one on fresh from Unkransa or Waboy room, and to Kofio Hennes a chittoy. Now, so Ebenezer room, yeah, non so dear, and no. Yagusua agent mamrinum, yeah, twasso.
And young cross sentimental mo. Now, young has a sentimental mo to say, Ahana. na amanfo se ntoloko trin junction eda so enso still wi akire no wo mto aba no say ye kra je junction to so a yetimi ko say junction say ye 3 junction ana say bi ye T junction no we hu ana makom kwanta nan so na makoye yi no na bibia ye fa nti we mu nso junction kra wo mo de kwato so bia no still wo mato aba no na ne ye te ha enkran ha ya te bia no say chama kokia ma say no fa former bantama chairman awo be ya bantama mra chi bedwani no fa okofu ya se want bi amfa koko na anya yi koko na yefu na asam na ko ya wura hosem pa ama say wo mo a every bantama ko ya no mo chimomomme ebogusu onyina wo mo nyina wura ho na ya se Rafael Safo Patrick de che say nyame nko anko ya twahwe ama kwakwa Dennis kwakwa send ye wo bosse se wadi nkunim no nya asem kuma na asem yankwa ne ne kwamredu eda ye ne nkobo nkomo kwa ma adwo na asante man tamu boko
abon en se de na de swani ndu ya ne kese agro no na na wie de be bi ama mu aje tension ya e ben de ya ono so le wi obefo ẹgbẹ́ àhómẹ́ ṣe ní àná yẹ ká ní sẹ́ npp amẹ́yìnkú no ẹ̀nà ẹ̀dín nsẹ́bíà ìbí atọ́ pẹ̀lú bùdó no dwumadie no nyinaa tumi abẹ́wìẹ́ pòsíṣì ahodoɔ mmakomako du baako no a nipa bɛɛ nan egyina mu sɛ wɔn pere na wɔn de abɔ wɔn bo no emu dodoɔ na ɛnubia bi tie gu a ebi nso so adeɛ amina yɛ ɛnubie pɔpɔpɔ ɛbi ama wɔn ɛdi a ebi kan no ewia no ɛmansi pòsíṣì no ɛyɛ ɔde no ho kura pia koka. ẹnu kẹsẹ yìí ọ̀nà ẹ̀nà wájú àbùtí no ẹ̀dí abúlé sílẹ̀ wọ́n yìí frankaa ní dendendendendende ewu ahandi kòkòfò a ọ̀nà ẹ̀nà ọ̀nà nso ẹni bẹ sí àkàn no sábì ọ̀nà nso so yẹn nka ní sẹ ẹ̀dí egu ẹni sa ẹ̀ma ahansia eduonum ẹ̀wọ̀twi ẹ̀nà kyẹ̀mà kòkà ẹ̀nyà yẹn ẹ̀nà fi 269 ẹni nso ẹ̀yẹ níwà kòkòfò ẹ̀díà ẹ̀no ẹ̀nso ẹ̀no no ẹ̀fi wọ́n first vice no nso so a Patrick example on the no year increment the because of the problem century or also ever so na ha dey say akwesi tembo and the Bernard amufaka ntwa ono and say ofa abia na dia bor we dantwa ono and afa dia bor mu enya seketwa pra if you remember second vice president so abia no a dem na gina bu shalom ono so ever so na ha dey say and see yawo amwa awuku ọ̀nà nso ẹbẹ̀ mu ẹnẹ ẹ̀yàwó amúwà ọ̀nà nso ẹbẹ̀ yẹn ní ẹ̀fẹ́ báàgì no ọ̀nà nso bẹ̀sẹ̀ ọ̀nà ahọ́n adé fẹ́ adé píntì fẹ́kù ọ̀nà nso àti gbèsè kéde kò dé mu ọ̀nà ẹ̀nà náà wọ̀ yẹ chairman ẹ̀wọ̀ họ ẹ̀nà ọ̀ṣọ́ náà adé fẹ́ ẹ̀wọ̀ second vice chairperson yìí mu ẹ̀nà nyẹ ọ̀nà yẹ de frankaa no ẹ̀dínlẹ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ ẹ̀bí tẹ̀ mu àtàbí ẹ̀bí kẹsẹ̀ yìí. We're also holding the and I will try the secretary and I feel so Francis Abdumako or no and I know don't fly for Edma and then one and my secretary means to know what the Edna abominable not Sabino or also so Yabona Abushi Yabona Buki come out. For them, person who are being excellent and if you mark Amu. Although so ever so now being couldn't tell you market in Kwamwa, or no anchor no now or about that to and war at home of the just south. And maybe professional who are the happy and what the see. Deputy Secretary Gabriel the Diapo appear and a few legends Abna Buahine. Although she and now quit them, Abna Buahine quit them, and that's a different them. And also so a good party no you were Kingsley a boy to treat you or no and a young lawyer or a lawyer that be or no and Abaji you know and that's why and then almost move to contact. If you over treasure also so the man Elite American and if you as you could say what to Frederick Ade.
Afi na ngoba ba chairman de no so ana chairman de no ati atom sa no nti abusuan ya hwese yansa ba ka no bio na ye de na to aso na o hwese ne me ni ame kita me ha na Wamu koto abano. Chairman de no. Oh, ade no aye you. Sekoka enya 658. Ana me offer. Kokofunya 269. Oh. Kwame Twaswe.
Yeah. With the chief of consultant, my pressure. No, so your mommy had on the tablet makers. What the education now, so I'm not sure. Yes, it's a picture. No, and then pressure. No, if you organize and also so, then it's copper. And also what the education and now so, rather, project stuff on and can do yes, and maybe, yeah. No, I don't think without work with them, maybe what charity is. That will document DKM or so that one who have been another son of the and so and then what the from the discover and now what organizing position and then so acquire a German and Kata. Over a man to go for a woman organizer and also so I know a Victoria Yaku who show a town. And the anti-decrease issue, only anti-demo, and the Selina can say, decrease issue, or what the now, so can see soon with the soon and I have a grandma, and you know, Andrew, Yamami. Between solution and the tablet, what the Martin for Martin, although and also what the Adiabon was, Tabi, or Papa. If you move back, Natara, Razak, Abudakai, or no, in Filipina, on putting him up and car, and then what you want, Abadan, and you want to actually at the communication, and you're casting and the outreach. Yes, and I know this one, yes, and I know this one. You can say, or no, and Yato, Abano, and the Manua, and yes, I can't see any position who don't Maku is due back on. When I will be in him, you wanna, and then also what you wanna, and the Yabubo, and the Astra, that be there. Uba, a sentiment in America, about why you're 2 years, nearly for NPK, maybe no. It was not executive law, and let me now a devil in Aquilina, and in a Cabrania, a month was and a Tabia Benucati, it was why contract and Mako can be on the drum at Yafa, and I'll share one. And if you are a customer, you need to know more, I didn't know what you have said. MP Manukono, and a didn't. I don't know or how we are, my son, now we're a police for by and one. Ọmọbọ hu ọdún papa di juma nkasi di na super ẹna ọmọ di ni wà ha na bìbí ayé kama wọ́n bẹ̀ kiri sẹ́ni ẹ̀dínlẹ́dẹ́ ni kọ́ ẹ̀ organize wọ́n mu nyinaa no ẹ̀na àwọn afa bọ̀ mu nyinaa ba so ẹ̀ma bìbí ẹ̀tùmí akọ ntumi nya lẹ́ka ni sẹ́ sẹ́ni ẹ̀dá yẹ kọ́ sunya ní pìtìwà ẹ̀nẹ́ abato a yẹ ti na santimante fún ẹ̀dí kàmá yìí kọ́ ni mo nyinaa no akọ ẹ̀yẹ yẹ.
Mo ní adwuma Kwame na deɛ wɔakyerɛ biara no yɛbɛka no dɛm why mo we akwa mredo no ana nia asie wa santimanta mu nyina no wode ho nkomo no kama ede abraye na ye ka na nim ho no se koka ade no wafa na 658 ni 269 de na se mo fa be kwa samba enka hanso Dr. Bernardo Koboy wono so so adi atitim 490 asa otum 4.9 ana Alfred Boy wo nyina de boy enti boy bako ana ba ko na ya twa gu ka na chi no wono so boy beba se boy ko ama boy aba Alfred Boy onya wo ha ene ye de osun bienu 172 ama Moses abo wono so yesi wa dia titim den ya enya asem kuma na yegusu won konwa so ya hwe na ne ya wachire bia no ye de ama etiefu medimafo ba center de ama yen se Dr. Tamada so wono de bre time e de atokase yi so nti on se wamo a ye fa wamo ama ne bodi nyina no obi a Tamada ne ho esan se Dr. Tamada so adawromenti ekoyie pa mesrawo wo de no yade ben e na e hawo tumirikafo de kire mu e wo medimafo ba center so wo asante mantam de a ebu akwa agogo woni aban school no e de animhwe e na awon kran ha de pokwa se mayira ho na yade ne yira na ho atimi ato efiri witiri nua no kwasu bowra no ne e hawa ye kwankro e ba na wonya bie ko medimafo ba center na wo mo apa ana agene numbers no 0244 774 282 0244 774 282 and 0500 727215 na one no abo enkomo just bread and pastries wo mada wroma yegina na so a yamfa sele bi ma won san se e ba na doko no ni die ene ne ton wo mo na ye ne kase pa na wo mo odome commercial bank na chiri ho no a yesi se wo ba doko no tu aton a se ja doko no bo me pa to ja se wo kota chi manjom ana wo ko bia atebu akwa eburo e de abankran no se ye jai Johnson na ye ni nyina wo de yellow corn na wo de ye eburo ye do no e no wo de ye e na vitamins wo mu no enti yesi bra ya kachi betu dokono 3 Ghana cedis na koton ni ade baji bi emfo bi aho e no nti na no busumi sha ase pe e na launch ye apam just kenki e wo 21 Watermelon Street manfo ba ha be e ba apam ho na betu dokono ni bi akwa koton ye ja me kan tachman fo ni nyina etie nkransanfo efiefo ni nyina etie se apam wo ye dokono wholesaler ya wo tu dokono ton den e no ye just bread and pastries from the just what kinki dey aba eno nti o wedding no engagement no a wo be ye no me pa cho birthday no a anwumre one ye no ni nyina se be convenient dey amawo fa kinki ni bi na fa kwase 3 Ghana cedis pe dodo apa bia ye de be mawo fra yan e wo 0256 068 832 0256 068 832 na mmom se wudi just kinki na sa wan fa kasa na kira me nwa wata ngusu a etesania wo hwiesuo na odi agu kentemu enya kura o bomoden junction so no ma me shop wo busan se kasa na kira me ndo ota ho a jibi na no na hwe ade ana open bottle no ana asase wo petete adaba dispenser na nka de odi akosi kwana na obi aba watimi ahwe bia nom wo pene hyehye wo pene nyunyu watimi abubi me ba cho jos kasa na kira me ndo ota kwana to ampa na ye de agu jos no so na ye kama me ba cho tie kasa Loma Ventures wadi nsuo ba yi wo wan kran Taifo back hospital na chiwo en wobutuo na nso wose uwo yende uwo dokrochwa ofre no a ba bia wo bia wodi nsuo de bebrew eni tigi numbers na frɛ 0206 469 430 0206 469 430 na onempani abonkomo wo madawroma en wo maso yasene ye dane ye ho simataw ye ba ye beto akase ne so
anopanunsia fawoda nyina anopanunsia fawoda nyina sheradens na erade beye
Sompa kasiebo ajibebia
eya no kure ajibebia afi na wotwi nsem no ne na no ba ya ye bobo so no afi ye mobitaw emfama na no joda ne yasha se de afri edwoda no ena Pre-Tertiary Teachers Association of Ghana pretagfo wo mo ka kira abansi wo ma no 2 weeks ultimatum sa aban anfo mo 20% ne allowance no ne aka no wanfa ma wo ma wo mbeti atua eno nti wo mo sheda friends and trofo hye ema mpanifo ekasa ho sei na King Ali Audu one kasa and trofo hye na se.
It's actually 200 Ghana cedis per month. The Fair Wages and Salaries Commission tells us that they can only give a 10% increment to the digital allowance, which is only 800 Ghana cedis per year. What it means is that 800 Ghana cedis per year. What it means is that they are ready to increase the digital allowance by 80 cedis per year. And this allowance attracts a tax of 200 Ghana cedis. What it means is that they are actually increasing it by 60 cedis. This 60 cedis is per year. So if you divide it by 12, government is actually giving the teacher 5 Ghana cedis per month. This, we think that it's not fair to the Ghanaian teacher. And we are calling on government, Ministry of Education, Fair Wages and Salaries Commission to sit with us to resolve this matter.
We King Ali Audu. One of our penny our casa de ma a pretagofo. Now the also so bobo scanners will be as not as yet.
Na yentu so dan no brada so ena MPP amanyoko no edeba beto eye aban enimu echemu se eye asante beko bribery case no kura ni nyame anim nie omani ene omaso edi akire pa enu nti wo monhwe no monkasa mfa ho na enam saye so ama MPP Deputy General Secretary Yera Haruna Mohammed woti hun sembi edit to yenimu dano bradano.
And today, the US has now done the raining for us. Ghana is looking for their umbrella. Why? People are named. These are known quantities. They should go. They have taken bribes. So they should go and deal with them. But we have been told that they are going to investigate. Investigate what? So these are the matters that is confronting the nation. President Mahama, if you fail, just resign and let us live on. That is what we are expecting him to do.
Enti Dano Bradano ena eye Deputy General Secretary Edima MPP wasuno amanyoko ni Yera Haruna Mohammed Odin Sami Bato Pronso Sompa Kasie Yeti Hubi Edimamu.
Na ene yanko ukwadanum na ukwadanum na mekrasa no. Mami abna wase asare watna Public Accounts Committee nase. Ena wase gold board wa musika sembi ewie de IMF kan different. Ena de wa monso kan so different. And one day one can kase de wa kan say mampani wonya hwehwemu.
Just one entity using 22.5 billion as a loss. The Minister of Health is complaining about the fact that he needs 6 billion Ghana cedis to recruit nurses. And here we are, 22 billion Ghana cedis going down the drain. When we could have used that amount of money to support the recruitment exercise at the Ministry of Health to enable the many nurses who are currently at home, to enable them to be employed. And for this one, it's going to be a win-win. The 22 billion, government is not going to recover. But if they had spent 6 billion out of the 22 billion, you employ the nurses, unemployment rate will come down, and these same nurses will help you generate more revenue because they are going to pay income taxes. So this is where our concern is, and this is where we are coming from.
We ene de na nani abrentia na na kwa huntini na ba no wakasa wa Public Accounts Committee no eso no eda ukuada enkomo no binu no
na ya wada no ena akwanhia kase pa si wo fanko ma nipa maako du baako ama wi a kire kura na ese afede akodudu mienu wo mo hwere wo mo nkwa ma maako du miensa nso eprepraye na dansini a na wo no wo hu se na ene ma akọ no wo de nsem se totomba kase anim
na abobo ya driver no was no more do for Accra ana tele bisu eba nti tele na bi bo abobo ya no ana abobo ya ne teni na ni fete se do sama nti na riska bisu abe peace ko stand be peace na abobo ya driver na wu dada nti the best is say na was ko ni shu abobo ya driver na dey efri ana nti akoba sa na speaker na odi na speaker bi di enimu nti abasa no kwa na ko ye nti speaker na dey no obi no fu be gina ye nti anu aka ba so eje bi fe echi ho ba to no ba na odi be bo anu aka na ogina echi no ana ono so be boss speaker ba ko be bo wi no nti I say o ma ko speaker ni na dey ehim nti sen ka ya dey ko mu abobo ya do no fu ho dia enka sa speaker na o be gina no nka obo yi na afa ho
enu achi ena DO1 Emmanuel Boni wono ye Ghana National Fire Service benin pa ono mpanifo no ko ya mkoya adwuma no wono so de kakra kan ho say
getting pieces of information from the eyewitness accounts. So until we get all those informations and put them together, we cannot tell the actual thing that caused the accident. But around 4 o'clock this morning, we had a distress call that there's an accident at this place where about 6 cars were involved and 1 tricycle. So when we came, the people were trapped in the cars. So quickly we have to come and manage the cars and extricate those injured. However, we have just received an information that those 11 people that were sent by the police, all of them are dead. And 13 of the casualties were sent to the Achimota Hospital for further treatment.
Casualties no na obom din wo nyina ya casualties. Ana ADO1 Emmanuel Boni na no ya wada no. Wade tu dwa.
Na abusuanfo efiada ne kofifo da no. Ena enam so ema eye the Teachers and Educational Workers Union tehu omo de babetu Johnson trofo nhyiamu ase ade to aban ne mu chemu se omo ma aban no na wotwemienu womra monten so no ma meyi nsem bia no emfanfa ekwan ya checherefo omo aketua ne afeso allowances bi wono ma ekam na adwuma yefo a womo mpokura de omo ye adwuma o ministry so na so omo aketua ene ejese yanka ye kan na dapono so womo ma aban na wotwemienu eno enam sa yeso ama eye Deputy General Secretary Edima Eyetewu Mabina Gifty Texan Ochiremu essay.
The Teachers and Educational Workers Union of the TUC is raising serious concern over the persistent neglect and unfair treatment of non-teaching staff within the Ghana Education Service, public and technical universities, and other educational institutions in Ghana. Despite the essential roles that non-teaching staff play in education system, these workers continue to face discrimination, delayed payment of remuneration, unfair labor practices, inadequate recognition, limited career progression, and poor working conditions. TEWU reiterates that non-teaching staff are an integral part of Ghana's education system and must not be treated as an afterthought.
Abusia, we mabna gifty Texan or no, and oye Deputy General Secretary Edma TEWU TUC, and Odin Semi Etu Jadano, if you are day.
And if you don't know, I ever tell your honu fresh, some for Nina, no one musia wa bank, say or Mabu Buano, say woman must we are no. And no, and then somewhat a hugu be. Now, Midamavu about center, and a boy about so say, Yamabecasi, mount. Minim yadia tells our qua. 1 year no e opokwase mai na so wan gogo yade na pon na po e wabu akwa gogo e ma hotoma enenti frɛ 0500 727215 na mom ukɔ ne yama wo nuro no a ya fa nsupa nom kasa natural mineral water e ya aboju nsu de wo sachet mu de wo toa mu dispenser ni nyina ye nsukura ya dada so a anwumre wo mo so ye mu na yamfa ya se ho nsha abenti no just hot kinky wode dokono papa yellow corn de na vitamin aye mu mma no eso yasene se yemfa mensen no mawo yenkura bata ne de ni nyina da efa bi ema wiase nyina pa no nso ye da so sesei www.sompaonline.com ensem ne gu ho YouTube ne Sompa FM live na Facebook wi wo mo edu wo mawoda kura de wo mo de aba begusu se twem eno nso eye Sompa Accra 106.5 live na wo dem decoder no so be FM stations no wo no abusuane ye wo kana Urban Radio wo fansempa bi Mankasim Kingdom wo fa bi na Adoma 100.7 wono nso wamfa nkwati anwumre enuanom no ye baasa memedi ye triple man eja pia pam dada mene
Oduma nkoma chiame obrempona na kwaku ampoma na ye bra
nana opon checheku ebusuya ye so de so akoye bre na ye be nanso ye fa sidan fa nkoma mu a mwanya adaje a mutie yen papa more money mu wo eye osu musi mutie kase papa birthday chenchenche a ekọ edema wo more money na afenso no wa uchocho mucho patient no eye ade a ekọ so ye da mu nyina se muguso na mutie